Hello YouTubes. If you're facing the problem Windows cannot be installed on drive 0 or this device during the Windows installation, and you have seen many videos to solve this problem, but only one solution you find, that is to clean your hard drive by cmd with diskpart command. But with this process you can install Windows without cleaning your hard drive. So let's start. Follow the instructions
Here. Now that you've done that, we're going to start typing in some commands here. The first one will be disk part. So D-I-S-K. Please note I'm spelling disk with a K here. So disk part, P-A-R-T. Then you want to hit enter. If you typed it in correctly, it should say Microsoft disk part version, whatever. Now for disk part, what we're going to do now is type in list disk. Then you want to hit enter. Now you might have multiple disks listed in here. Now in my case, and in your case as well, if you're this tech savvy to get to this point, you're probably going to know which disk is your main hard drive or whichever drive you're looking to install Windows on based on the size listed here and the status type. And if you're a little bit more tech savvy, you might be able to pick out other things as well. But the size should be the primary driver as to identifying which disk you want to install Windows on, or whichever disk you're having the problems with to begin with, because you were getting this issue when you were trying to install Windows to a certain disk. So if you're trying to remove this error with this MBR error partition table with a specific disk, you should already know which disk it is. So I'm going to select the disk 0 here. So in order to do that, it's very simple to do. We're just going to type in select, another space, disk, another space, 0. So select disk 0. 0 is the number 0. Don't spell out 0, Z-E-R-O. Once you've typed it in like it appears on my screen, you want to hit enter. And now we've selected disk 0 as our disk that we're going to be working in today. And once you've done that, you want to type in clean. So C-L-E-A-N. So clean. Then hit enter. This will begin cleaning the disk, and it should say disk part succeeded in cleaning the disk. Pretty straightforward here. And now we want to type in convert. So C-O-N-V-E-R-T space GPT. So convert GPT. I have GPT all capitalized here just so you guys can identify it. So you can hit enter, and it should say disk part successfully converted the selected disk to GPT format. And once you're done doing that, you're pretty much done. Just type in exit into the disk part utility, then type exit one more time. And now at this point, if you had a product key, you'd insert it here. If you don't have a product key, just select I don't have a product key. Select the version of Windows 10 you were looking to install earlier. Again, pretty straightforward here. Accept the end user license agreement after you've looked through it. And let's say we wanted to just install Windows, and we see we have our one drive here. Let's say this was a drive we were having an issue with before. Just left clicking on it and selecting next. If you don't receive an error at this point, that means you're probably good to go. So I do hope this brief video was able to help you guys out, and as always, thank you for watching, and I will catch you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.